This is the inchworm. So for this, we're going to focus on movement at the hips and through your spine. So we're going to stand with your feet hip distance apart with a slight bend in your knee. We're going to round your back, pushing your hips back in like a hinge position until you can get your hands on the ground. If you need to, if you have tight hamstrings, you can walk your hands down your legs if you need to until your hands are on the ground. And then we're going to walk out into a plank position. Hold it, walk your hands back. And then again, if you need to, you can use your hands to assist you walking back up. But if not, you're going to hinge forward, walk out, hold, come back. Think about your hamstrings pulling you back up and hinging up. Hinge down, walk out. Hips are back. Now think hamstrings pulling you up as your hips push forward. One more time. Hold, keeping your core tight. Shoulders down away from your ears and hinging back up.